Welcome to today's lesson. We are breaking down the right triangle and learning how sine, cosine and tangent connect the sides to the angles. Let's make trigonometry simple and visual. A right triangle is triangle with one right angle. So all triangles here, it is right triangles because every triangle here has angle equals 90 degrees. It is right angles. Right triangle has three important sides: the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent sides. Sine, cosine, and tangent are just a ratio of these sides. I will use the letter H to present hypotenuse. To find hypotenuse, focus please on right angle. Hypotenuse is longest side, which is opposite the right angle. So the first triangle has right angle here, opposite side, longest opposite side here. So it is H. It is hypotenuse. The second example, right angle here, opposite side, it is hypotenuse, H, longer side. Triangle number 3, we have right angle here, opposite side, it is hypotenuse. We have the fourth example, number 4, right angle here, opposite side, hypotenuse. I will use letter O to present opposite side, and I will use letter A to present adjacent side. To find opposite side or adjacent side, we need to focus on the given angle. Opposite side is directly across from the given angle. Adjacent side is the side that touch the angle. So for example, the first triangle, we have given angle theta here. So opposite side of angle, it is here, opposite side. Adjacent side touch the angle, it is adjacent side. Adjacent side near angle. So it is adjacent side. Next example. Angle theta here with opposite side. Opposite our angle. It is opposite side. Adjacent side touch the angle. So touch the angle. It is here, adjacent. Do you remember our longest side opposite the 90 degrees angle? It is hypotenuse. So now next example. We have angle theta. So opposite side to angle theta, it is here, opposite side, and adjacent side here, we can find hypotenuse. It is opposite to angle 90 degrees, hypotenuse. Now I will show you how to use sohcahtoa to find sine. Start with SOH, the first part of our method. What does it mean? It does mean sine, the first letter, equals opposite side over hypotenuse. If you have triangle like that, how we can find sine theta? The first step, mark all three important sides. So we remember opposite 90 degree, it is hypotenuse. H hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite angle theta, given angle, it is opposite side. Side touch given angle, it is adjacent side. Now we remember definition. Sine theta, it is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side 30 divided by 34. We can cancel out 2 and we have 15 divided by 17. The second example, we need to find sine theta. Where is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse longest side opposite 90 degree. So it is hypotenuse. After we take our given angle theta to find opposite and adjacent side. Opposite side, it is 27. Opposite to given angle. And adjacent side must have with angle, given angle, common part. So it is adjacent. Now sine theta, we have to take opposite side. It is 27 divided by hypotenuse 45. We can simplify. We can cancel out 9 and answer would be 3 over 5 or 3/5. So sine theta equals 3/5 for the second example. How we can, the first step as well, we have to label our hypotenuse, adjacent side, opposite side. So for the first triangle, we have right angle here, opposite side 41, so this is hypotenuse. Given angle theta, opposite side for given angle, it is 40, opposite side, and angle touch angle theta, it is 9, it is adjacent. Now we can write cosine theta equals adjacent side. So adjacent, it is 9 divided by hypotenuse 41. The second triangle. The second triangle, we have here right angle, opposite side to right angle 39, so this is hypotenuse. After we focus on given angle, theta here, opposite side for given angle, 36, adjacent side equals 15. Now we can write cosine theta equals adjacent side 15 divided by hypotenuse 39. Part COA gives us tangent. Tangent equals opposite side over adjacent side. Absolutely the same plan. The first step, take right angle, find hypotenuse. Opposite side to right angle, it is H, it is hypotenuse. After given angle, have common part with side equals 21. So it is adjacent side. And opposite side to theta is 20, opposite side. Now tangent theta, we can write now tangent theta equals opposite side 20 divided by adjacent side 21. This is tangent of theta. Next example. Next example, we have right angle here. Opposite side 26, hypotenuse. Now we focus to given angle theta, focus on theta. Opposite side 10, adjacent side 24. We can write tangent theta. Something happened. We fixed now. So tangent theta equals opposite side is 10 divided by adjacent side 24. We can cancel out 2. It would be 5 divided by 12. So 5/12 it is tangent for this example. Next lesson we will take time for practice drill. Thank you for watching and see you soon.